I'm thrilled to be able to report in person on the contributions to GHRSST from the Australian Bureau of Meteorology, IMOS project and CSIRO. The Bureau of Meteorology, through IMOS project funding, produces a wide range of high-resolution Level 2, Level 3 and Level 4 products in GHRSST formats, GDS 2.0, from AVHR, VIIRS and HEMORY sensors. Australian agencies and IMOS also contribute in situ skin and depth SST observations from ships, Argo floats, drifting buoys, and from a Southern Ocean flux mooring, shown here with Haifeng Zhang standing on it, who went on the Southern Ocean cruise last May to redeploy the SOF's mooring. We also provide drifting buoys and others. Next slide. So over the past year, the Bureau has reprocessed IMOS HEMORY 8, L2P, L3C and geopolar multi-sensor L3S products from 2015 to 2022 at the end of the mission of HEMORY 8, incorporating a Bayesian cloud clearing and RTM code from Reading Uni's CCI team, Chris Merchant's team. The bottom plots show the improvements in spatial coverage from adding HEMORY 8 data to the daily nighttime multi-sensor VIIRS plus AVHR L3S product, as you can see there, I think. Yes, right, pointer there and there. The bottom, applications you can also see there, and all Bureau satellite SST products are available freely from the NCI thread server, and a subset are available from the Australian Ocean Data Network thread server, and they're most of them are listed now in the GHRSST data catalogue. Many applications, I don't have time to go into the applications now, but you can read my slides. The daily regional and global SST analyses called RAMSA and GAMSA currently ingest AVHR data from METOP-B, VIIRS L3U from NPP and NOAA 20, and AMSA2 data, along with in situ SST from ships, moorings and drifting buoys. The sea ice mask is sourced from the NCEP daily 1/12 degree ice analysis. We are currently, however, testing replacing NCEP ice with the Ostia ice analysis and ingesting Navocean's METOP-C AVHR L2P SSTs into the products as well. RAMSA and GAMSA level 4 from 2006 and 2008 to the present day are available from PODAC and the AODM. And the major application of RAMSA and GAMSA at the Bureau is, of course, for boundary condition of our NWP models and seasonal prediction models. And GAMSA is ingested into the GHRSST multi-product ensemble, which we call GIMPI, and NOAA STARS SQUAM monitor. On the bottom, right-hand side, on the bottom, I don't know how to work this very well. No, that's not the way. Okay, I won't try and use the pointer. Okay, on the bottom right is a plot from the SQUAM website, level 4 products minus the GAMSA L4. Okay. So I was very concerned, as were many of you, I'm sure, that in July and August the global SSTs hit an all-time high for the satellite era, and especially in the northern hemisphere. So the 22nd of August was close to the peak SSTs globally. So I to compare it in SWAM, other products, and GAMSA compared pretty closely on that day with Ostia from Met Office. That's the top left-hand one. The CMC analysis from Canada, ECCC, and the 0.05 degree NOAA geopolar blend level 4 from Eileen's team on the bottom left-hand side. ISST V2.1, it did not agree as well with. But it gave me confidence then that GAMSA was not doing something really weird and was overestimating or underestimating the peak SSTs, which we've seen before. Okay, so the Bureau produces a lot of quality assured ship SST data, which goes on to the GTS and to the Australian Ocean Data Network. Since 2008, we've equipped 24 ships with sensors, and they have reported to the GTS. All the tracks are shown there in the top image. The tracks for the last 15 months since June last year are shown in the bottom image. Currently, we have 7 ships report real-time QC data. We are, however, equipping some more ships soon with a new ship AWS system, so we'll have a lot more ships in future. Applications, the depth SST is ingested into climate databases, including ICOADS and HAD SST, and SST analyses such as RAMSA, GAMSA, ERSST v5, Ostia, etc. And they're used for satellite SST validation, and they go into IQAM, which is run by NOAA STAR, and into IMOS Ocean Current. So we also have one vessel, RV Investigator, which has a skin SST radiometer installed. It's been installed since 2014. We've just swapped it over to a new ISAR called ISAR 16. And this data has been used by several agencies, including the Bureau, to validate satellite skin SST. In October, we will continue to deploy the new ISAR 5E called ISAR 16 on RV Investigator, and we are buying another one too. So this is operated by CSIRO. Right, and so future plans. For the coming year, we to produce real-time HIMARI 9, LPP, L3C and geopolar multi-sensor L3S products in GRIS format by June 2024. Pallavi there, you can put up your hand. Pallavi, she's responsible for this. She's working closely with Owen Embury and John Mataz and Chris Merchant on this work because we use their code. And she's also going to use the geopolar multi-sensor L3S and STARS daily climatology to produce marine heat wave and thermal stress metrics on the IMOS 0.02 degree grid. All our gridded products are on 0.02 by 0.02 degree grid, by the way, so 2 kilometre resolution. And really hope to include NOAA